Standard 7th, Subject Maths, Chapter 13, Exponents and Powers, Exercise 13.2. Question 1. Using laws of exponent, simplify and write the answer in exponential form. First one, 3 raised to 2 multiply 3 raised to 4 multiply 3 raised to 8. Here, base are the same, but the power is the different. If the base are same and power is different, or it is in the multiplication form, we have to add all the powers. Because of the law, a raised to m multiply a raised to n is equal to a raised to m plus n. Means we have to do the addition of the power if the base is the same. So here 3 raised to 2 plus 4 plus 8 is equal to 3 raised to 14, because a raised to m multiply a raised to n is equal to a raised to m plus n. Second one, 6 raised to 15 divide 6 raised to 10. Here base is the same, but there is the division sign. If there is the division sign and base is the same, we have to subtract both the powers. Just like 6 raised to 15 minus 6 raised to 10 means 6 raised to 15 minus 10 is equal to 6 raised to 5, because a raised to m divide a raised to n is equal to a raised to m minus n. Third one, a raised to 3 multiply a raised to 2 is equal to a raised to 3 plus 2 is equal to a raised to 5, because a raised to m multiply a raised to n is equal to a raised to m plus n. Fourth one, 7 raised to x multiply 7 raised to 2. Therefore, 7 raised to x plus 2, because the laws a raised to m multiply a raised to n is equal to a raised to m plus n. Next one, 5 square bracket over 3 divide 5 raised to 3. Now if there is the a raised to m bracket over n, we have to do the multiplication of both the powers, means a raised to m n. So here 5 raised to 2 bracket over 3, in that case we have to multiply both the power. 5 raised to 2 multiply 3 divide 5 raised to 3. Therefore, 2 3s are 6, so it's the 5 raised to 6 divide 5 raised to 3. Now, here the division base are the same, so we have to do the subtraction of the power. 5 raised to 6 minus 3 is equal to 5 raised to 3. Next one, 2 raised to 5 multiply 5 raised to 5. Now here base are the different, but power is the same. In that case, we have to follow this rules. A raised to m multiply b raised to m means power are same and base are different. In that case, we can write it as a multiply b bracket over raised to m. So here 2 raised to 5 multiply 5 raised to 5, power is the same. So we can write it as a 2 multiply 5 bracket over raised to 5. 2 5s are 10, 10 raised to 5. Next one, a raised to 4 multiply b raised to 4. Base is the different, power is the same. So ab raised to 4. Next one, 2 raised to 20 divide 2 raised to 15. Bracket over multiplication 2 raised to 3. Here the division base is the same, so we have to do the subtraction of the power. So 2 raised to 20 minus 15 multiply 2 raised to 3. So it's 2 raised to 5 multiply 2 raised to 3. Now we have to do the addition of this power. 2 raised to 5 plus 3 is equal to 2 raised to 8. Now the question 2, simplify and express each of the following in exponential form. First one, 2 raised to 3 multiply 3 raised to 4 multiply 4 divide 2 multiply 32. Now 2 raised to 3 multiply 3 raised to 4, we can write 4 as a 2 square. Yes, so here 2 square divide 2 multiply, we can write 32 as a 2 raised to 5. Now is equal to 2 raised to 3 multiply 2 raised to 2 multiply 2 raised to minus 1, because here 2 in the division form Also it's a 2 raised to minus 5. Multiply 3 raised to 4. Now 2 raised to 3 plus 2 minus 1 minus 5. Multiply 3 raised to 4 is equal to 2 raised to 5 minus 6 multiply 3 raised to 4. So it's a 2 raised to minus 1 multiply 3 raised to 4. So we can write it as a 3 raised to 4 divide 2 because power it's a negative. That means we have to put it in the division form. That is also the right. Second one, 5 square bracket over 3 multiply 5 raised to 4 divide 5 raised to 7. Now do the multiplication of both the power. 5 raised to 2 multiply 3 multiply 5 raised to 4 divide 5 raised to 7. 2 3s are 6. So 5 raised to 6 multiply 5 raised to 4 divide 5 raised to 7. Now do the addition of both the power. 5 raised to 6 plus 4 divide 5 raised to 7. 5 raised to 10 divide 5 raised to 7. Now do the subtraction of both the power. 5 raised to 10 minus 7. So it's a 5 raised to 3. Third one, 25 raised to 4 divide 5 raised to 5 cube. Here instead of 25 we can write it as a 5 square because 5 5s are 25 bracket over 4 divide 5 raised to cube. Now do the multiplication of both the power. 5 raised to 2 multiply 4 divide 5 raised to 3. 2 4s are 8. 5 raised to 8 divide 5 raised to 3. Do the subtraction of both the power. 5 raised to 8 minus 3 is equal to 5 raised to 5. Question 3. Say true or false and justify your answer. First one, 10 multiply 10 raised to 11 is equal to 100 raised to 11. Here we have to verify whether the left hand side is equal to right hand side or not. Means that is the left hand side, it is the right hand side. In short, we can write it as LHS and RHS. Now first simplify the left hand side. 10 multiply 10 raised to 11. So in that case we have to do the addition of the power. 10 raised to 1 plus 11. Here power is nothing, so in that case we can take it as a 1. So 10 raised to 12. Now the right hand side 100 raised to 11. We can write 100 in the form of 10 square because 10 tens are 100 bracket over 11. Now do the multiplication of both the power. So 11 2s are 22. So it's a 10 raised to 22. Now just check left hand side 10 raised to 12, right hand side 10 raised to 22. Both are not equal. So this statement is the false. Second one, 2 raised to 3 greater than 5 raised to 2. Simplify first of all 2 raised to 3. 2 2s are 4 2s are 8. Right hand side 5 square, 5 5s are 25. Here 8 less than 25, therefore 2 raised to 3 less than 5 square. So the statement is false. Third one, 2 cube multiply 3 square is equal to 6 raised to 5. First simplify left hand side. 2 2s are 4 2s are 8. 3 3s are 9. 8 9s are 72. 6 raised to 5 multiply 6 5 times. It's a 7776. So the LHS is not equal to RHS. Therefore, the statement is false. Next one, 3 raised to 0 is equal to 1000 raised to 0. Now there is a law. If any of the base, if power is 0, its answer is always 1. So here 3 raised to 0 is equal to 1 and 1000 raised to 0 is equal to also 1. Therefore, left hand side is equal to right hand side. So the statement is true. Now the question 4, express each of the following as a product of prime factors only in exponential form. In the exercise 13.1, we have already discussed this. There is only single number, here two numbers. So first one, 108 multiply 192. First we have to find out the LCM of 108, then LCM of 192. And then write this number. 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 3. Here 2 it's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times 2 and multiply 3. After then count 2 how many times comes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it's a 2 raised to 9 multiply 3. It's a 1, 2, 3, 4 times. So it's a 3 raised to 4. 2 raised to 9 multiply 3 raised to 4. Now the second one, 270. Find the LCM and then write this 2 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 5. 2 it's a 1 time, 5 also it's a 1 time, 3 came 3 times, so it's a 3 cube, 2 5s are 10, multiply 3 cube. Here 5 it's not came. Now the question 5, simplify. First one 2 raised to 5, bracket over 2, multiply 7 raised to 3, divide 8 cube, multiply 7. Now first do the multiplication of both the power. 2 raised to 5 multiply 2, multiply 7 raised to 3 minus 1, because here 7 is in the division form. And below, instead of 8, we can write 2 cube, because 2 2s are 4 2s are 8, bracket over cube. Now 5 multiply 2, so 5 2s are 10, 2 raised to 10. Here 3 minus 1, so 7 raised to 2, 3 3s are 9, so 2 raised to 9. Now 2 raised to 10 and 2 raised to 9, that is in the division form, so 2 raised to 10 minus 9 multiply 7 raised to 2. So it's a 2 multiply 7 raised to 2, 7 7s are 49, so 2 multiply 49 is equal to 98. Second one, 25 multiply 5 square multiply t raised to 8, divide 10 raised to 3 multiply t raised to 4. Instead of 25, we can write it as a 5 square, then multiply 5 square, multiply t raised to 8 minus 4, because t raised to 4 in the division form. Instead of 10, we can write it as a 5 2s are 10, so it's a 5 cube multiply 2 cube. Now 5 raised to 2 plus 2, it's a 5 raised to 4. T raised to 8 minus 4, so it's a t raised to 4, below as it is. Now do the subtraction, this one 5 raised to 4 minus 3, multiply t raised to 4, divide 2 cube. Therefore 5 multiply t raised to 4, divide 2 cube, 5 t raised to 4, 2 2s are 4 2s are 8, so it's a 8. Third one, 3 raised to 5 multiply 10 raised to 5 multiply 25, divide 5 raised to 7 multiply 6 raised to 5. Now here, instead of 10, we can write it as a 2 multiply 5, and instead of 25, we can write it as a 5 square. So it's a 3 raised to 5 multiply 2 raised to 5 multiply 5 raised to 5 multiply 5 square, divide 5 raised to 7 multiply 2 raised to 5 multiply 3 raised to 5. Now 3 raised to 5 multiply 2 raised to 5, 5 raised to 5 plus 2, because the base are same. Below 5 raised to 7 multiply 2 raised to 5 multiply 3 raised to 5. So here 3 raised to 5 multiply 2 raised to 2 multiply 5 raised to 7, below as it is. Now do the subtraction, 3 raised to 5 minus 5, 2 raised to 5 minus 5, 5 raised to 7 minus 7. Therefore 3 raised to 0 multiply 2 raised to 0 multiply 5 raised to 0. If the power is 0, the answer is 1. So it's a 1 multiply 1 multiply 1. So its answer is 1. Here the exercise 13.2 is over. In the next session, we will discuss the exercise 13.3. Thank you.